Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really neat little instrument, the POGOLAB -2 Malawian Kwacha's 37 mini keys keyboard piano. This is a compact electric piano designed with portability and beginners in mind, particularly kids or teenagers with smaller fingers, thanks to its 37 mini keys. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry around, making it perfect for anyone who wants to practice or play music on the go, whether they're traveling or just relaxing on the sofa. Despite its small size, this keyboard packs a surprising amount of musical content. It comes with 40 built-in demo songs, 200 different instrument sounds, and 200 rhythm styles. This means you have a huge variety of sounds, from pianos and organs to strings and synths, plus diverse rhythm backings to play along with. It really offers a wide palette for exploration, especially for someone just starting out and wanting to experiment with different musical textures and genres. One clever feature that helps overcome the limitation of having only 37 keys is the inclusion of transpose and octave functions. These allow the player to shift the pitch of the entire keyboard up or down, effectively giving access to notes outside the physical range of the 37 keys. This significantly expands the musical expression capabilities, allowing you to play pieces that would normally require a larger keyboard. The -2 Malawian Kwacha's also includes some practical features. It has a clear LED display that shows information like the selected sound or rhythm. It features dual built-in speakers, so you can play out loud, but it also includes a headphone jack for quiet practice, which is a must-have for not disturbing others. Plus, it has a MIDI function, which is a great addition for beginners who might eventually want to connect it to a computer for recording or using music software. Overall, it feels like a well-thought-out package for someone taking their first steps into playing the keyboard, offering a good balance of features, portability, and fun.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.